Level 1 carrots. And I'm Dima. Let's learn how to cut carrot like a chef. Wash the carrot thoroughly. Peel it using vegetable peeler. You can trim the ends with either knife or a peeler. Place the towel on the cutting board from keep it moving. Keep your knife sharp with a honing steel. The first cut is Julienne. Slice the carrot into the planes first, then cut them into strips. Brunoise. They make a carrot more stable. Trim one side to create a flat base. Start by cutting the thin planks, then thin strips. Now dice those strips into the tiny cubes. If you want the professional method, square off the carrot by trimming all four sides into rectangular. Then cut in julienne and finally a perfect brunoise. The downside is that you will have some left-on pieces. Carrot rounds. Simply slice the carrot into rounds. It's quickly, easy and looks great. Now for a more interesting cut. Hold the knife at an angle, make one cut, roll the carrot, then cut again. Repeat the process and you will end up with a beautiful regular pieces that look natural and elegant. Damn cook.